Hi guys, I'm going to just give a small introduction how our Friends Matrimony website is working so that it is easy for you to continue working. So here I already show you that you already logged into this profile. You simply go to Google or what and put this address www.friendsmatrimony.com. Then you will click type or login. Once you get the login button, you will be able to put that profile, your login ID, generally your email address, then the password, then you will be coming here. So here you can see all the informations are there, but it is not enough. You can see here, name is there, FMID is there. So this is your FMID. If we call, you can simply say that. And you see here, last activity is showing us right now. That means you will log in, you are logging recently. So that means you are a frequent profile member. So other people can see, okay, they are very active. And second thing, okay, you can come here, no pictures added, and there is a horoscope. That's why this is a yellow color button. You can see this phone number, a tick mark is there. That means this particular profile or phone number is confirmed and verified. So it has a good phone number. Second one, you see profile completeness. It is only 64%. Reason because there is no pictures. And if you come down, personal information, that also most of them not specified. Again, there is nothing in about me. And again, if you see here partner profile, he didn't even put any age range or whatever his preferences. You simply see 18 to 80. He didn't do anything. So that's why it is very half done profile. That's why it is 64% completion. And at the same time, parents information, you can click here and you can type parents information and where they were born or whatever the information, and current location and everything you can put it. And partner preference, it's another important thing. You have to type enough information so that other partner can understand what you are looking for exactly, and they can see whether they are suitable or what. So likewise, under above me also, you have to describe about yourself very well so that they can understand about you too. And at the same time, personal information is very important. I always say it should be more than 90%, then many people will be interested and talk to you. And specifically the pictures, many people or few people try to hide the picture, which is not a recommended thing, because many people are looking for the pictures first. From that they assume, okay, whether it is suitable for us. Then they go and see this education background, then they think about the location where they are, then they think about the caste, and then they check about their work and job and about me information, then come back to the parents information. If they are a platinum member, they can even check the parents information. From that they can understand whether they are suitable for them. Like that, again, the partner information also will be very helpful. So more you give, more you get. So it is very easy to do this friends matrimony partner search, and many people are getting married through this one. And we are almost completing 10 years, if not almost, yes, we are closer to 10 years. So in that case, it's a successful website. Definitely you will get the partners or find your suitable profiles. If you have any questions, you can call us anytime. Probably Monday to Friday, yes, we are working more hours. And you can call our office number 416-477-2259, or otherwise 416-477-6854. These are the two numbers. Again, if you are calling from Sri Lanka, you can simply call 112-363-663. This is another number you can call. So it is very easy to contact with us, and at the same time find your partner as soon as possible. Thank you.